Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm showing how we can install an Android system on our computer. So what I'm gonna do, I'm installing a software which is able to run Android software, Android OS on our computer. It's called BlueStacks. There are different number of softwares are there, but this is one of the best software that's available in internet. So just search BlueStacks on internet, and the first link that you are getting, the official link, bluestacks.com. Visit that link and download the setup file. It's like a small size file when you're downloading, but it will, at the time of installation, it will download the package from internet. So you can see that it's just 1 or 2 MB file, and once you click on this one, and when you start the installation, you will see the procedures how it is running. So just to run the application, go to downloads and run the application as administrator. And once you run as administrator, run it as administrator and give yes for the confirmation window, and click on the install now option. You can customize the installation only for changing the folder that you are going to install. So I'm keep it as it is, but if you want to install it on a different folder, you can do it. And just click on download option, so it will start downloading. So let it download in the background. It will take like more than 1 hour depending on the internet speed, but I already have downloaded the software and installed on my computer, one of my another computer or my host machine. So just open that BlueStack that is installed, and you can see that it will take up to 40 seconds depending on the PC performance. So if you are using a workstation or a good performance computer, that will help us to open the software within 10 or 15 seconds. Once it's downloaded, you can see that there is Play Store already installed, pre-installed. So just click on the Play Store, and same like in a new mobile phone, you need to create an email ID, or you need to log into one of your email ID for you to configure the Play Store, and you can install the softwares from the Play Store. So just click on the Play Store and it will check for info, and it's checking for info. Now it's asking for an email. Just give an email ID that you are using. I'm going to give one of my email ID. Next. Okay, I think it's a different window. It shouldn't be like this. Just close and open again. Okay, now I logged into my email ID. Accept. So it's installing it's configured for the Play Store. Now once you signed in to the Google Play Store, you will be able to download or install the softwares on your BlueStacks, and it's similar to the using a normal Android mobile. You can see that I can download the softwares from internet now, from the Play Store. So just search for the application and games. For example, if you want to download WhatsApp or something. So thank you guys. In the next video, I'm going to show how you can install different softwares like WhatsApp. I'll show you in the next video. Thank you for watching. Like this video if this is helpful, and click the subscribe button and the bell icon near to that for getting the notification when I'm uploading new videos. Goodbye guys.